Hey guys, welcome to MNMMPT NAATI YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a summarized spoken text question. The idea behind this video is to show you how to master summarized spoken text, as in what is a perfect example of a summarized spoken text. So what I'll do is I'll play an audio, I'll take notes, I'll show you what type of notes we have to take, and I'll also type the summary for you just to give you a brief that okay, this is how your summary should look, and if you follow that you'll definitely get a full score for your summarized spoken text. If you are after a detailed video of summarized spoken text, we have already posted that on our channel. The link of that video will be in the description below, wherein you can get a detailed understanding of summarized spoken text, including the weightage and techniques and strategies and everything. But this video is just an example of one question. So let's do that.
It's pretty much universally true. Rents are going up all around the country, but it's even more severe in migration destinations like the Sun Belt of the country, Austin, Phoenix, Florida. A lot of people are moving there and there's just more demand for rents.
Daryl Fairweather is the chief economist at Redfin, a nationwide real estate brokerage firm that pulls together real-time statistics on both the sales and rental markets. For example, their numbers show that rents increased 31% in Jacksonville last year, 40% in Austin, Texas. What's causing this?
We are not building enough housing for everybody who needs a place to live. We built fewer homes in the 2010s than in any decade going back to the 1960s. And at the same time, millennials are the biggest generation and they're entering into home buying age. Millennials aren't living in their parents' basement anymore or shacking up with roommates. They want a place of their own. And we didn't build any housing for them in the last decade because we are still so traumatized by the last housing crisis. We didn't put any investment into housing.
In the economic crisis of 2008 and 9, construction of new housing came to a grinding halt. But even when the economy recovered, home construction didn't.
Alright, so what I've done is the audio is now completed. Obviously, this is one of those exam questions that has been getting repeated a lot. I have taken notes. I have 4 sentences. All 4 sentences, if you noticed, were from the audio. I did not put any word of my own, so that is rule number 1. Second, 4 sentences should make sense. Individually, these sentences should make sense. If I'm taking keywords or phrases that are not making sense, I will not get a very good score. And the last tip that I want to share is, whenever I was writing a sentence, I never concentrated on the audio as to what's going on there. I always concentrate on completing my sentence first. The moment I finish writing down my sentence, that's when my ears are back to the audio, and whatever is a fresh new sentence that makes sense to me, I'll start jotting it down. All right, let us start writing down the summary. So my summary has to be 1 paragraph, and the word limit that I will follow will be between 60 to 69 words. So if I write down a summary between 60 to 69 words, I'm safe, I'll get a good score. And yes, I will write 4 sentences in my summary, which will be a total of 1 paragraph, and the template which we use is also there in the description below, so feel free to use that template. You can use any other template as well if you have already memorized it, but just keep in mind that your sentences, your 4 sentences should make sense. So let us write down the summary now. The lecture primarily focused on rents are going up all around the world. So that's my first sentence. In addition to this, the lecture or we can also, according to the template, also highlighted fewer build homes around, and the last line. In conclusion, the lecture also described about people wanting to stay So my summary is completed. The first thing I want to see is 76 words is the word limit, but obviously the summary that I have written is 73 words. In this case, if you don't have enough time, what you can do in PT exam is just put a hyphen like this, and the word limit will go to 75. Just put a hyphen over here like this, like this. Then what you can do is like this. So I've got it down to 69. This is what you can do. But if you have time and if you want to get rid of something, that is also fine. You can do that as well. But if you don't have enough time, this is what you can do. Now, let's read the summary quickly. The lecture primarily focused on rents are going up all around the world. In addition to this, the lecture also highlighted about fewer build homes around. The lecture also emphasized on real-time statistics on sale or rental market, where there is 31% increase in Jackson and 41% in Austin. So in this case, what you could have done is, if you have a lot of words, 41% in Austin you could have removed. So 3 words gone, it would have been down to 70, and then we could have removed 1 word from somewhere. And then the last line, in conclusion, the lecture also described about people wanting to stay in their places of own and don't have enough houses for them. So my summary, if you have a look, every single sentence is grammatically correct, is making sense, and it's all from the audio. If these things are taken care of, I will get a very good score in Summarise spoken text. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time with another video. Bye for now.